Hey everybody, it's Sam Fieri. And I'm here today to teach you about some wonderful cooking in the kitchen with quarantine kitchen time. So today we're going to be going around with all these wonderful ingredients, and I'm going to show you how to make some ramen noodles, eggs, and maybe pancakes if time allows. But there's a catch. Over here with So to make my cooking experience even harder for this quarantine brunch, we're gonna have 12 different ways to challenge myself in the cooking arena. Weston McCutcheon's gonna shout out a random number, and I'm gonna have to fulfill that every 2 minutes, and it's gonna be 30 minutes on the clock. Hey Alexa, time me for 30 minutes.
Second timer, 30 minutes, starting now.
There is only gonna
Want
be...
to name this timer?
Yeah.
What do you want to call it?
All right, so we're gonna be doing a little bit of omelets and ramens and pancakes. We're gonna open up our ramen. You got that nice brick. Now, most people wanna say put the whole thing in. Now here's the trick. Get a little bit of the crummies for later. We got a second hot pan going. Right there, but we're gonna need a little bit of vegetable oil in there just so make sure we don't burn those because they're already burning. A little drizzle, blizzle. Turn that down a little bit. Turn that baby down. Huge mistakes have been made. Sam didn't mix it. He didn't have a bowl ready for our scrambled eggs because that's what we were doing. Now I add a little bit of milk to that. It really softens up the eggs. Oh, I'll get those in there. Oh, those eggs are cooking faster than I thought. Which is good, which is what we wanted. We want some hot eggs. Slapping that in. See that? That's good. Because how do you make eggs? Chickens that are cracking eggs out.
Beep, 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 beep. Wesley here.
What?
You have to do a challenge.
Okay.
Do 5. Oh, that is the longest 2 minutes of my freaking life.
Wesley gets to add or subtract 2 ingredients.
I think you should add tomato soup and flour to the ramen.
Ooh, a challenge indeed. But your boy... What was my name again?
You know it. It's your own name.
Sam Fieri, that's who I am. It's like fire, but not. Gonna use tomato soup and flour. You know, fun fact, flour is a thickening agent that you can use to thicken up your stuff. You think Wes can phase us? That's okay. We can fix that easily. Look at that. You know what I am? Problem solver. Oh, that's bad. That's good is what I meant to say. Hungry Jacks. Because the boy's hungry.
You have to do another challenge.
Oh. No.
Can you do 12?
Cannot read the box instructions. That's great. I wasn't reading them anyways. Wink. I was actually about to read them because I think there's an important ingredient I'm forgetting, but we don't need that.
Do another one.
Only use lefty. So now I only get to use my left hand. Zip tie me!
Stay, camera.
So everybody, as you can see, I've restrained myself using my right hand so I can use my lefty. So, as we were saying, we just gotta mix up our pancake. Oh, this is terrible. We just gotta mix up our pancake and really get it in there. That's a little thick, so what you're gonna wanna do is just add a little bit more milk. Man, that's looking great. You gotta be kidding me. That was another timer?
Yeah.
Come on!
2.
2? Only use the righty. All right.
Crap.
Yeah, I was ready for it.
No, it's taking.
Westlake! So now I got my other hand tied. What a crazy thing. So, oh, no. And we're gonna add some spice. So, we got ourselves the chicken packet. Sriracha chicken. Why don't you cut it? No! Just a little bit. What we do here. Oh, that's terrible. Just add a little bit. Add a little bit of flour. Put it on low.
One.
No way. No way that was the timer. Blindfold those beautiful hazels. So now we're gonna blindfold myself. Now kids, with fire and blindfold, here's the key. You have to feel your way around the heat. So now what we're gonna do, now, are we there? All right. Now with one hand tied behind my back and blindfolded, I'm gonna cheat a little bit because I can, because this sucks. We're gonna continue.
Sam Fieri.
Feels a little lumpy. But you know what? If you keep on beating it, that's how you get hard cakes. We don't want that. Look how thick that is. That's good. Turn this bad boy on.
Hey.
It's fire, all right?
Timer.
But this is but.
We can get some 8. It says, Kobe
Oh no! Oh.
First of all, insensitive.
Okay, rest in peace. You see, you didn't get in there. It says rest in peace. Yes, we were. Hey.
All the ingredients?
No, just when I'm making it. Kobe. I don't hear sizzling. So I feel like that didn't get in the pan.
Oh.
Sam.
Oh.
Kobe. Come on, give me some slack, people.
Here you go.
This is dangerous. Don't try this at home. And now I got myself a clean pancake spatula to plate our ramen. That's tasty. Good eats right there. I gotta take the blindfold off.
Yeah, blindfold can come off. You can switch it out for 7.
Thank you. Mr. T-Rex. Okay. No, can't do that one.
Oh.
Now that one was my pants. So this is what I like to call the T-Rex. You tie it up to your elbows, so that way I don't have a good range of motion. Because we all know Sam Fieri needs all the problems he can get. You got it?
Should be okay. Super tight, but.
Oh, that hurts. Rah! Now we're gonna start plating our food, people. Now, remember that time where I crushed up those ramen noodles in the beginning? Oh, my egg snack. Now we take those ramens. Get this, cameraman. Now you got some sweet crunchies in there to add a little texture to your ramen.
Okay, 6. And my helmet.
Come on. From the top rope. No! Wow, I did not do a good job cleaning this.
That timer back on, Krista?
Oh, that's a clean spat. So, you might be wondering yourself, what does from the top rope mean? from the top rope. Oh! Benvenuto. It can be a rough job, kids, but you stick to it. This can be easy as 1, 2, 3. A, B, C on the top for you and me. Wow, that's just becoming a ball. Let's try out our tasty. Yeah, that's delicious right there. Yes. Bottle flip before use. Oh, God. Oh, almost had it.
Wow.
Oh, beautiful. The timer can't punch. All of them are done. Yeah, that's how you play the plate. Now, come on, let's eat. Hey, everybody. Now, we had some wonderful times today making up some scrambled eggs, which I've already consumed. These sweet pancakes and this delectable meal that we made. Thank you, Lard, for this wonderful meal and for the tenacity and the endurance that is the human stomach. Amen. Do it. Can we just cut out and then just empty the...
Nope. No, this is Sam Fieri's cooking. I mean, are you kidding me?
Yeah.
This is gonna be tasty.
Well, let's get in this. So we're gonna get all that. It's hot, so we gotta wait. Please. Please. Down the hatch. Not bad, actually. Oh. Oh, that's not good. Now let's try our pancakes, which, you know, can make some wonderful latkes. Oh, so that was a little raw, but this bad boy, wow, actually, look at that. Burnt on one side, tender love and care on the other side. Oh, it's so good. Now you know how to cook meals. like Sam Fieri does. Oh, we might not be.